In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a sidebar menu in WordPress. A sidebar menu is a fantastic tool to enhance your website's navigation, providing your visitors with quick access to various parts of your site, all from the comfort of the side of the screen. By the end of this guide, you'll not only know how to add a sidebar menu but also how to customize it to fit your site's unique style and needs. Let's dive right in. First things first, log into your WordPress dashboard. From this main dashboard screen, you'll want to head over to the Appearance section found in the left-hand menu. You'll notice an item labeled Widgets under the Appearance tab. Click on it, and this will take you to the Widgets page, your new best friend for adding that sidebar. On this page, you'll see a variety of widget areas and available widgets that you can use. Look for an area marked Sidebar, which is where we'll be placing our menu. Now, it's time to drag and drop. Locate the Custom Menu widget option. This widget is an excellent tool because it allows you to add any custom navigation menu you've created. Click on the Custom Menu widget and drag it over to your sidebar widget area. This motion is called drag and drop, simple yet incredibly efficient for arranging the layout and functionality of your WordPress site. Once you've placed the Custom Menu widget into the sidebar area, the next step is to customize it. In the widget settings, give your new sidebar menu a title. This title will appear as a header above your menu on your website. This can be anything that reflects the content, such as quick links or helpful resources. Next, below the title field, you'll see a drop-down list for selecting a menu. Click this drop-down to view a list of menus you've previously created. Choose the menu you want to display in your sidebar. If you haven't yet created a menu, go to Appearance and then Menus to build one. You can add pages, posts, category links, or custom links to your new menu. Once you've selected a menu, save your changes by clicking on the Save button within the widget settings. Now, let's check out how it looks. Go to the front end of your website and navigate to a page where the sidebar is visible. If everything is in place, your sidebar menu should be there, all set with the title and links you configured. This new feature won't just look good, it'll function fantastically too, guiding your visitors exactly where you want them to go. And there you have it. Adding a sidebar menu is a simple yet effective way to improve your website's functionality and user experience. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.